Hello and welcome back to the English Flow podcast. I am so happy that you are here with me today. Today is a beautiful day to learn English. You are doing something very good for yourself. You are taking time to learn and to grow. Learning a new language is a journey. It is like walking on a long road. Sometimes the road is easy, and sometimes the road is hard. But you are not walking alone. I am here with you. We are walking together. Today, we are going to talk about something very special. We are going to talk about something that everyone loves. We are going to talk about food. Yes, food is our topic today. Food is wonderful because everybody eats. It does not matter where you are from. It does not matter what language you speak. We all need food, and we all enjoy food. So, relax your shoulders. Take a deep breath. Let us start our conversation about food favorites. Let us begin with the first meal of the day. This meal is called breakfast. Breakfast is very important. Some people say it is the most important meal of the day. What do you eat for breakfast? In many countries, breakfast is small. Maybe people eat toast with butter. Maybe they eat cereal with milk. In other countries, breakfast is big. People might eat eggs, sausages, and beans. I want you to think about your morning. When you wake up, are you hungry? Do you want to eat immediately? Or do you wait? Personally, I love breakfast. I like the smell of coffee in the morning. Coffee has a strong, rich smell. It wakes me up. Do you like coffee, or do you prefer tea? Tea is also very popular. Some people like tea with milk and sugar. Some people like tea with lemon. It is warm and nice. Imagine a hot cup of tea in your hands. It feels good, right? This is the simple joy of breakfast. Now, let us talk about sweet things. Many people like sweet food in the morning. Do you know what sweet means? Sugar is sweet. Honey is sweet. Fruit is sweet. Some people eat fruit for breakfast. A banana is a great fruit. It is yellow and soft. An apple is also good. Apples can be red or green. They are crunchy. When you bite an apple, it makes a sound. That is a nice sound. Fruit is healthy. It gives you energy for the day. Do you like orange juice? Orange juice is very popular for breakfast. It is sweet and a little bit sour. It tastes like sunshine. If you like sweet things, maybe you like pancakes. Pancakes are flat and round. You can put syrup on them. Syrup is very, very sweet. It is sticky, but it tastes delicious. Talking about food makes me hungry. Are you hungry now? I hope you are enjoying this topic. After the morning, we have the afternoon. In the middle of the day, we eat lunch. Lunch is a break. You stop working, you stop studying, you sit down and you eat. What is a common lunch? A sandwich is very common. A sandwich is easy to make. You take 2 pieces of bread. Inside the bread, you put things. You can put cheese. You can put meat, like chicken or ham. You can put vegetables. Lettuce is a green vegetable. Tomatoes are red vegetables. You put them all together. Then you eat it with your hands. It is simple and fast. Many people eat a sandwich at work or at school. Do you take lunch from home, or do you buy lunch at a restaurant? Buying lunch is nice, but it costs money. Making lunch at home is cheaper. It saves money. Let us talk about a different kind of food for lunch. Maybe you like salad. A salad is very fresh. It has many green leaves. It is cold and crisp. People eat salad because it is healthy. It is good for your body. You can put oil and vinegar on a salad. This gives it flavor. Flavor is the taste of the food. If food has no flavor, it is boring. But if food has good flavor, it is exciting. We want our food to be exciting. Another popular lunch is soup. Soup is hot liquid food. You eat soup with a spoon. There are many kinds of soup. You can have tomato soup. You can have chicken soup. Vegetable soup is full of carrots and potatoes. Soup makes you feel warm inside. On a cold day, soup is the best lunch. It is like a warm hug for your stomach. Now the day is ending. The sun goes down. It is evening. It is time for dinner. Dinner is often the biggest meal of the day. In many families, dinner is a special time. Everyone sits together at the table. They talk about their day, they share stories, and they share food. This is beautiful. Food brings people together. What is your favorite dinner? Many people love pasta. Pasta comes from Italy, but now people eat it everywhere. Spaghetti is long, thin pasta. You eat it with a fork. You can put red tomato sauce on it. You can put cheese on top. The cheese melts. It becomes soft and gooey. That sounds delicious. Do you like pasta? Or maybe you prefer rice. Rice is eaten all over the world. Rice is white or brown. It is small grains. You can eat rice with anything. You can eat rice with fish. You can eat rice with vegetables. Rice is a very important food for many people. Let us think about meat. Some people love meat. Chicken is a very popular meat. You can cook chicken in many ways. You can fry it. Fried chicken is crispy on the outside and hot on the inside. You can roast chicken in the oven. Roasted chicken smells amazing. The smell fills the whole house. Then there is beef. Beef comes from cows. People make hamburgers with beef. A hamburger is like a sandwich, but it is hot. It has a meat patty inside a round bun. Many people love hamburgers with French fries. French fries are potatoes. They are cut into sticks and fried. They are salty. Do you like salty food? Salt makes food taste strong. Potato chips are salty. Popcorn is salty. But be careful. Too much salt is not good for you, but a little salt is perfect. Some people do not eat meat. They are called vegetarians. Vegetarians eat only plants. They eat vegetables, fruits, grains, and nuts. This is a very healthy way to live. There are so many delicious vegetables. Think about a carrot. It is orange. Think about broccoli. It is green and looks like a little tree. Think about a pepper. Peppers can be red, yellow, or green. Vegetables have many colors. They make your plate look beautiful. They are like a rainbow on your plate. Eating colorful food makes you happy. Let us talk about cooking. Do you like to cook? Cooking is an art. It is like painting, but with food. When you cook, you are the boss. You choose the ingredients. Ingredients are the things you use to make the food. You choose the vegetables. You choose the spices. Spices are magical powders. They change the taste of the food. Pepper is a spice. Cinnamon is a spice. Curry is a spice. Some spices make food hot and spicy. Do you like spicy food? Spicy food makes your mouth feel hot. It can make you sweat. Some people love this feeling. Some people do not like it. In countries like India and Mexico, spicy food is very popular. It is full of flavor. If you cook at home, you can make the food exactly how you like it. You can make it spicy. You can make it mild. You can make it salty. You can make it sweet. You have the power. But sometimes we do not want to cook. We are tired. Or we want to celebrate. So we go to a restaurant. A restaurant is a place where people cook for you. You sit down at a table. A waiter comes to you. The waiter gives you a menu. A menu is a list of all the food. You read the menu, you choose what you want. Then you say, I would like the chicken, please. Or, I would like the pizza, please. It feels nice to be served. You can relax. You talk with your friends or family. You enjoy the atmosphere. The atmosphere is the feeling of the place. Some restaurants are quiet and romantic. Some restaurants are loud and fun. Some restaurants play music. Going to a restaurant is an experience. It is not just about eating. It is about having a good time. Let us talk about desserts. Dessert is the sweet food you eat at the end of a meal. This is my favorite part. I have a sweet tooth. Having a sweet tooth means you love sweet food. Cake is a dessert. Chocolate cake is very popular. It is dark and rich. Ice cream is another dessert. Ice cream is cold. It is perfect for a hot summer day. There are many flavors of ice cream. Vanilla is white and simple. Chocolate is brown. Strawberry is pink and tastes like fruit. What is your favorite flavor? Some people like cookies. Cookies are small, sweet cakes. They are crunchy or soft. Eating a dessert makes you feel happy. It is a treat. It is a reward for a good day. Now, I want to talk about drinking water. Water is not food, but it is very important. We must drink water every day. Water has no color. It has no smell. It has no strong taste. But it is refreshing. When you are thirsty, nothing is better than a cold glass of water. It makes your body work better. It helps you think. It helps you move. Always remember to drink water with your meals. It is the best drink for your health. Soda is sweet and bubbly, but it has a lot of sugar. Juice is good, but water is the best. Finally, I want to tell you something important. Food is culture. Every country has different food. If you go to Japan, you eat sushi. Sushi is fish and rice. If you go to Italy, you eat pizza. If you go to Mexico, you eat tacos. If you go to America, you eat burgers. Trying new food is like traveling. When you eat food from another country, you learn about that country. You taste their history. You taste their land. Do not be afraid to try new things. Maybe you will see a food that looks strange. Try it. You might love it. Being open to new food is being open to the world. It helps you understand people. You have listened to a lot of English today. We talked about breakfast, lunch, and dinner. We talked about sweet and salty tastes. We talked about cooking and restaurants. We talked about vegetables and meat. You are doing a great job. Listening to this long talk helps your brain. Your brain is learning the patterns of English. You might not understand every single word. That is okay. Do not worry. The important thing is the flow. You understand the main ideas. You are connecting the words to the pictures in your mind. Keep practicing. The more you listen, the easier it gets. Next time you eat, think in English. Look at your apple and say apple in your mind. Look at your coffee and say hot coffee. When you cook, name the ingredients. This is a tomato. This is an onion. Small steps lead to big success. You are building your vocabulary brick by brick. You are becoming a confident English speaker. I am very proud of you. Thank you for listening to the English Flow podcast. Remember, you are capable. You are smart. You are learning. Until next time, keep listening, keep smiling, and keep eating delicious food. Goodbye for now.